Elon Musk,
richest man in the world.
You're actually like a world-class, incredible video game player.
सोच के देखिए, इलॉन मस्क जैसे लोगों के लिए जो एडमिरेशन आप फील करते हैं, क्या वो सच में आपकी अपनी सोच है या कहीं आपका दिमाग किसी और के गेम प्लान का हिस्सा बन चुका है। एक बंदा क्रिप्टिक ट्वीट करता है और पूरा मार्केट हिल जाता है। कोई कंट्रोवर्शियल कमेंट करता है और उसकी पावर और बढ़ जाती है। ये मैजिक नहीं है, ये साइकोलॉजी का डीप गेम है। ये वीडियो इलॉन मस्क की तारीफ या उसकी बुराई नहीं करेगा। हम उस साइकोलॉजिकल प्लेबुक को डिकोड करने वाले हैं, वो हिडन टैक्टिक्स को जो आपकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को बाईपास करती है और आपके दिमाग में ऑलमोस्ट गॉड लाइक इमेज बना देती है। You know what Elon Musk did that was absolutely brilliant? उसने खुद को टोनी स्टार्क बना दिया, वो भी before Iron Man movies became a thing. Think about it. He literally appeared in Iron Man 2, not as an actor, but as himself. And Hollywood took inspiration from him to create the ultimate tech billionaire superhero. And then he leaned into it hard. अब जो साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रिक आपके ब्रेन के साथ हो रही है वो ये है कि when you see Musk, your subconscious doesn't just see a businessman. It sees a superhero. Your brain has been programmed by the decades of Marvel movies to believe that genius billionaires can save the world. And this is called the halo effect. And it's the same reason why during World War II, propaganda posters made leaders look like gods. So when you believe someone is exceptional in one area, your brain automatically assumes that they are exceptional in all the areas. So when Musk talks about rockets, your brain thinks genius. When he talks about politics, still genius. And when he makes medical claims during a pandemic, still genius. And this brings us to perhaps the most dangerous part, how Musk weaponizes your bias against you. So here's what happens in your brain when you're already a fan. You see a criticism of Musk and instead of thinking, maybe he made a mistake, your brain goes into defense mode. This is called confirmation bias. You actively seek information that confirms what you already believe and reject anything that challenges it. So it's the same reason your parents who barely understand the technology will forward WhatsApp messages claiming scientists discovered this one trick if it confirms with what they want to believe in. It must be true for them. But Musk takes this to another level with a technique psychologists call DARWO, and it is deny, attack, reverse victim and offender. And here's how it works. Criticism आया, झूठ है, मीडिया ने बोला वो बायस्ड है, रिजल्ट्स मैं ही विक्टिम हूँ. So we have seen this exact playbook everywhere recently. When Bollywood stars face scandal, they deny wrongdoing, attack the media as paid and claim that they are the victims of targeted harassment. And a similar case. So when Pakistan faced retaliation after the Pahalgam attack, they denied involvement, attacked India as aggressive and played victim on international forums. But what makes Musk's influence so powerful in the digital age is something previous leaders never had. The illusion of direct access. Think about it. World War II leaders spoke through radio, broadcast and newspapers. But today, Musk tweets memes at 3 a.m. and millions of people feel like they are hanging out with their friend. And this creates a psychological phenomenon called perceived intimacy. Your brain tricks you into thinking that you have a personal relationship with someone you have never met. वो रैंडम लोगों को रिप्लाई करता है, जोक शेयर करता है एंड मिलियंस थिंक कि इलॉन और मैं सेम वाइब. बट हियर्स द मैनिपुलेशन. While he appears authentic and unfiltered, every controversial statement is strategically ambiguous. He says just enough to get people talking, but leaves enough wiggle room to deny any specific meaning later. And here's where it gets really dark. He's literally made millions from this illusion, and the results? Pure psychological control. One tweet about Dogecoin, a literal joke cryptocurrency, and millions of people lose their life savings trying to get rich following his hints. One tweet saying Tesla stock too high and his own company and $14 billion evaporates, but his followers don't blame him. They blame market manipulation by hedge funds or media attacks on innovation. And this is the ultimate test of psychological influence. When you can make people lose their money following your advice and they thank you for it. Seriously, So it's the same psychology that allowed leaders throughout history to convince people to make enormous sacrifices for the greater good. The difference is now it happens in real time through a smartphone app that is in your pocket. The wake up call. अब एक ऑनेस्ट सवाल, क्या आपने इस वीडियो के दौरान मस्क को डिफेंड किया? क्या आपने सोचा बट ही इज रियली ट्राइंग टू हेल्प? तो शायद आपने अभी अभी लाइव मैनिपुलेशन को एक्सपीरियंस किया है. एंड द स्कैरियस्ट पार्ट इजंट दैट इलॉन मस्क हैज दिस मच इन्फ्लुएंस. It's that most people don't even realize they're under it. So your brain is hardwired to follow charismatic leaders, to seek heroes, and to believe in saviors. And these aren't flaws. They are the features that have helped our ancestors survive. But in the digital age, these same instincts can be weaponized by anyone with enough followers and the right psychological playbook. The question isn't whether Elon Musk is good or bad. The question is, are you thinking for yourself or are you letting someone else do the thinking for you? So if this video made you question about how influence really works, hit that subscribe and like button, because next week we are diving deep into the psychology behind why people follow cult leaders, and you might be shocked by the similarities. Thank you so much.